Hey guys, what's up? In this video we'll be going through how we can fix failed forbidden error when downloading from Google Drive. The first solution is to turn on incognito mode. So open up Google Chrome and then launch a new tab. Then press Ctrl Shift N to open up an incognito tab. Then sign into Google Drive, try to download the file and then check to see if the issue still persists or not. Now the second solution is to disable other accounts. So open up the browser and then click on account icon on the top right side. Now select an account that is not associated with Google Drive. Then click on account icon and then again click on sign out. Now repeat this process for all the accounts except the one associated with Google Drive. Once all the accounts have been logged out, then sign into Google Drive and then try to download the file. Now the third solution is to use shareable link. Sign into Google Drive and then right click on the file that has to be downloaded. Then select the get shareable link option. Now this link will automatically be copied to the clip. Now paste this link in a new tab and then the file can be downloaded directly. Now solution number 4 is to disable hardware acceleration. So open up Google Chrome and launch a new tab and then click on 3 dots in the top right corner. Now navigate to the settings option and then go to advanced button. Then under the system heading, click on the use hardware acceleration when available toggle to turn it off. Now try to download the file from Google Drive and check to see if the issue still persists or not. We hope that these solutions were helpful for you guys. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.